Hi everybody, welcome back. Team Labiro. Um, we're going to start with first thing. We're going to go through the first challenge that I did. And this is probably the most easier one, which is the YouTube. We're going to be using few tools, and I'm going to show everything. At least we can look at that and go through along with the video. So first thing first, now with turning with time, we guys already have the access to the portal, and then you come to the challenge, you click YouTube, and you see YouTube. We have 187% have solved this problem. It's 5 points, and it's easy, and it have bits trying to tell you the category of problem we have, which is in bits you're going to convert. So, and you got to think about what tools you're going to use to solve this problem. So the first thing to capture the flag, you see here in this outline here, right here we have flag CTF with the underscore with a answer of the flag there. So they gave you this link to go to. It says check the announcement video of Sabola. So the first thing, when you click here and then open new tab, and then you come to this video that you will see.
Bonjour à tous. Cette vidéo lance les hostilités du Hacker Lab 2022. Le Hacker Lab est une compétition de tic-tac-toe de slam dans le but principal.
First thing, when you come to the video like this, you just look at it as a video playing, but when you play it all the way to the end, you won't see anything that is really interesting. And then you see here you got more on the video here. So the first thing you're gonna do, you click more, and all about capture the flag, all about you being curious to know what to solve and how to solve it. And you should be curious to solve problems, because curiosity leads to solution. And when you found a problem, you see how best you can solve it. So when you come to this description here, and you scroll down, you start going down, you see here we don't find anything that is interesting that we'll see that will raise eyebrow. So we scroll down and we reach a point there where we see something that caught our attention all the way at the bottom here. And then you see this bit. The first thing that will raise to your mind, or what is the codes are here for? So the first thing you're going to do, you want to know what this code is here for, and is have nothing attached to it. What is it here for? First curiosity drop in. So all you need to do is just copy this code, and then you open a new notepad document, and then you put it in here and you paste it. After pasting the code, you observe that this code here, from observation, you observe that this code is a binary code. So all you need to do is you already find the hint of this, and then you come to Google, you search for a tool called Cybershift, and then when you see this first link that is up here, which is the GitHub.io, you click it. You wait for it to load, and then you see it's loading present. Yeah, you take your time, you wait for it to load. It should be up and running in a few seconds. Yeah, I know you guys gonna follow along. It won't be a hard thing for you guys to do. So Cybershift is loading due to my internet speed. That's the reason why it's taking time. So when you come to Cybershift, you have an option here where you can download it as a zip file, and then you can open it on your spare time without using internet. And then you scroll down now with holding your time. All you need to do is come to base 64. Base 64 is always a binary. When you click it, it's about conversion. All you need to do is select base64 and drag it to recipe. When you have recipe here, and then you have input, and then you have a recipe, you have input, you have now willing everything constant. Hold on a bit. Just want to put everything here straight. All right. You have base64. Base64 is always about conversion from base64 to base or hex, from hex to whatever you want to. But base64 is all about binary. I think I sent a PDF in the chat room. You can go through it. For those who have it, you will know what base64 is all about. So all we need to do now is come back to this notepad document, copy all, and come to input. You paste the input here, and then we have a lot of garbage here, right? I know it's not something for us to understand, but you see here, base64 is not working out for us, right? So the next thing we need to do, we come back and select it and drag and delete, and then we come to format here, which is BRT. As you can see, we have in the search bar here is have from binary, right? From binary, you select from binary and drag it here because we are using binary. I know the reason why I did that first, because you need to be curious. You don't just want to find solution just abruptly. You go through it and then you take your time, because CTF is all about cracking the head. So take your time and go through. So you drag it and paste it. Bam. See, voila. We have something here that represents CTF, right? So this is a clue that we just got. We copy this clue, and then we come to our notepad and come to the end, and then we go down and paste it here. For this, you copy it, and then let's just see if it will work out for us. Try putting it in our solution table here, and then we paste it and see submit. You already solved it, but for this it will be incorrect. For those who have tried this and have reached to this one, like Abraham, you reach it and try it, it's not working. And for my team Labira, so that's it. It won't work out. So because if you're curious to know, you see from here it's not in the right format, it's in reverse. They didn't get rid of it directly. If you observe from the flag here, you have CTF underscore stop, and you have FTC. So if you reverse it from CTF, you will see the actual level of the video you want to have as we go back. So like this, you have what you want. So the solution is already there. All we need to do now, we delete everything from here, and then we'll come back to Cyber Chef here, and then we'll come back to ARR. Just want to delete this first, and then you have two ways to do it. You can either use the manual way to do it, or the best way you feel that you want to do it. This here in the reverse. All you need to do is with a recipe. The file format, you click here, and then you scroll down to Since it's not working out way, we don't want to do it manually. Just come right here, says reverse, REV, and then just see reverse right here. Whatever you have in here that is starting from the front, you reverse it at the back. So you just click reverse and just drop it. Bam, we have our CTF key right here. And then this is just a solution of the YouTube. You copy it and come back to your notepad for reference to keep your files in place. And then you copy this again, and then you come back to the solution here, and then you put it here, you paste it into the challenge, and then you submit. Voila, you have already solved this problem. But this is the solution for the CTF YouTube challenge, so you can look at this and go along with the other videos, with the other basic challenges, and see how best you can solve them. If you watch the video, if you find any hard time, you can ask questions in the chat room, and if you have any problem, let me know soon so we can solve them. And I'll also be posting the other challenges that are solved later on, and I'll put a CTF solution there also. So thank you for your time. Once again, Victor Jao Jin and cybersecurity captain for our team, which is not CDF team Liberia. Actually, our point is actually low. We are 65 place first. We are way at 200, but now we are 65. And Samodon, currently the captain and CTF team Liberia 2022. So thank you guys as we go along and complete. I'm still going along with these other challenges. So as we all go together, let us reach at the end together. Thank you. Bye.